Alright, at Love Clark here again. Emergency. No. Now look at the sky. Now, earlier I filmed this and I said that you could see there was lines in the sky. And I filmed this. And I said these lines will swell up, grow, and expand outward to the appearance of clouds. Well, if you look at the sky now compared to how it was earlier, look at those things. Trails, they've grown. See, they've grown. See, they just swell up and then they spread out, and they swell up and spread out and grow, and they take on the appearance of clouds. They're not clouds, but if you compare this to my recording earlier today, you can tell this is the same stuff that was in the sky. It's just all swollen and spread out. I mean, look, you can see they're still continuing it. It's still going on, like it's been going on all day. Matter of fact, we got him right here. Got him right here on camera. Got him. There he is. Spreading your poison. Spreading your death. On whatever you think you're shielding us from. Whatever we've done to the earth, or whatever judgment's coming, you're stupid to think you can stop whatever God intends to happen to this earth, shielding it with aluminum. I believe we're run out of ozone layer, and they're not telling everybody that the planet's dying, and they're trying to make artificial atmosphere. See, the poison in the air, but it's also protecting us. So it's a two-edged sword, killing us and protecting us. They think they're doing a job by, well, you know, what else? What other alternative do they have, right? Right? I mean, if the atmosphere is disappearing, well, we're exposed to some poison and some bad stuff in the air. Is that worse than actually having no atmosphere, having no ozone? I don't know, but there he goes. Now people say, oh yeah, you're just imagining that. No, I'm not. The chemtrails that were little lines earlier, like that one, and they swell up. Why would they crisscross them like that? They're doing nanotech. It's not just gas, chemicals, small. It's nanotech fibers. Okay, there's a lot of stuff that's going on. Nobody knows. It's bioengineering, and it's geoengineering at the same time. The stuff they're putting in the sky to manipulate the weather and change the weather, or play with the weather, is also, when it falls down on us, they figured, well, we can use us as guinea pigs at the same. Two birds, one stone. So when the shit falls on us, after they use it to try to manipulate the weather, then they use it to manipulate us, humans. It's called bioengineering. And that Love Clark, and I'm going off on this chemtrails. It really pisses me off. It just goes on and on and on. And I'm 100% positive this stuff is making people sick, but nobody wants to admit it. Nobody wants to really take it seriously. But how can we prove what this stuff is in the sky? We got to get chemical testers. You got to have access to scientists and technical stuff, machinery and stuff like that to gauge and to sensors, you know. But I'm gonna get off here, and you know, how can we test this stuff? This ain't real stuff, man. Look at this. So fake. Somebody that's lived around places where there's clouds, lived in the desert where we observe the sky a lot, okay, because we don't get a lot of rain. So what clouds we do see, we know what real clouds are and what are fake, and these are fake as shit. faker and shit, man. Because earlier when I recorded this, these were just a bunch of these little things, lines in the sky, and I said they're going to swell up and grow and start to take on the image of cloud. Well, that's exactly what happened. You seen it a few hours later. Now look at it. You can't even look at the haze on the mountains. Anyway, all right, guys. Eyes and ears open. You know, this is real. Chemtrails are real.